If you are using Final Cut Pro for your editing or video production, then do you know what are the difference between libraries, then clips or event, this type of thing? So let's see what are those. So library is the whole project. So when you open Final Cut Pro, everything is organized inside the project. So here, this is the project, few steps. This is the entire thing. So this is called projects or library in Final Cut. So in Final Cut, it is called library, but actually it means the whole project. And this whole project is organized with events. So this is one event, and each event has multiple clips. So this is like, you can say, like folder within library. Okay, and each event is marked with a small Easter egg, and there is some other keyword collections like smart subfolders. So if you expand it, you will find everything. So these are smart subfolders, and that's why it is called keyword collections. And that's it. These are the main differences between libraries, events, and keyword collections in Final Cut Pro.